Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to fix WhatsApp OTP verification code problem solution. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. Now go to your phone setting. Scroll down little bit. Find here apps. Next, search here WhatsApp. Scroll down little bit. Tap on storage. You can see here two options, clear cache and clear data. Tap on your clear cache. After that, tap on your clear data. Now go back. Tap on permission. Tap on allow all permission. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your Play Store. Search here WhatsApp. Your WhatsApp app is already updated and latest version. Now go back to your home screen. Now go to your WhatsApp. Enter your phone number. Hopefully your problem solved successfully. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys.